simple thing, changing headlight bulb on an LV. Process is exactly the same on the LSLT, although the headlight design is slightly different. You've got one screw here, which is a T30, but you can use a flat blade because it's got a slot in it. You just want to pull it out. And then you got a little tang down here, you push down, pull the headlight out. Now you got your wiring connector. Now, these are the same as most VAG stuff, so anything VW Audi, where it's got a little tang, you basically want to pull it back, wiggle it, and there you go. So now you can pull the rubber off, and as you can see in there, you've got your connector. So with the connector, you just squeeze the bottom in, give it a wiggle, out she comes. You can grab your bulb, tilt it back, then slide it out. Now this is an old bulb, so we can touch the glass, no problems. With your new bulb, do not touch the glass. The oil in your skin basically transfers to the glass and it creates a little heat spot. So if you touch the glass, the bulb will fail prematurely. So when you grab your new one, they're just an H7, you want to open the box and check that you're opening it so that you can grab the back side of it. That locator tang needs to go upwards, so we're going to fit it in this way, then like that. So, as you can see, we'll slide it in. I'll send in first. And you know she's all the way in home. And then these have got two slots, so you just want to line the connector up. Push it on all the way. Cool. Put the cap back on. Now if your high beam one's gone, same style of clip. If you want to do your side light or park light bulb, take the cap off, and this one's a twist. Twist it. And if your indicator bulb's out, this is just a twist job like that. So just plug back on, just pushes on. Pop the screw back in, and you're done.